For all men's worrying about their size, do women really notice? Well, we went to a popular restaurant to find out. We hired an actor to play a waiter, and then we gave him a rather large rubber penis to put into his rather tight spandex pants, and then we sent him out to wait on various diners.
Good afternoon, ladies. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, doing well. My name's Peter. I'll be taking care of you. We're just trying out a few new items.
As the waiter steps up to read the menu items, let's see how long it takes for the ladies to notice his item.
Top, we have the Market City salad with the mesclun lettuce, arugula peppers, mozzarella, diced tomatoes, cucumber, and extra virgin olive oil with balsamic vinegar. Ensalada Mediterranean, that's a Mediterranean salad, with mixed greens, arugula, goat cheese, Greek olives, red onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, basil, olive oil, and red wine vinegar.
And other diners were also surreptitiously peeking at the protruding pecker.
Well, one of the managers was asking me to come by and go over each of the items with you just so we can rank them as part of the survey.
Okay.
You're okay if I read them over to you?
Yeah.
Excellent. First one we have is the Market City salad. Has mesclun lettuce, arugula peppers, mozzarella, diced tomatoes. Sure. Here, I'll bring it around.
This woman doesn't even want to look in the direction of that monstrous member.
Ideas?
Actually,
Right.
and chicken, please.
The chicken. All right. 1 second. I see that the chicken's up. The salad, I think, is just taking a little bit more time.
No rush, we're enjoying ourselves.
Okay. Okay.
So far, the diners have been relatively subtle in their reactions. But get a load of this next woman, who simply could not believe the waiter's big whopper.
Starting with the mesclun, lettuce, arugula, peppers, mozzarella, diced tomatoes, cucumber, extra virgin olive oil, and balsamic vinegar. Tomato sauce with garlic, fresh basil, and olive oil. Okay, ensalada Mediterranean. I have basil, olive oil, and red wine vinegar. We also have a capellini, pomodoro e basilico. Angel hair pasta, tomato sauce with garlic, fresh basil, and olive oil. And then finally the salsicce alla griglia, which is the Italian sausages, also with the fat-free turkey sausage.
I'm going through the list again.
Not mine at all. The Market City salad. Do you want me to go for the full description?
Yes.
Okay. Market City salad, mesclun lettuce, arugula peppers.